Today I'm going to speak something about the present crisis of Manipur. My English may be bad or I'm not a good speaker, but I want you to understand what I'm trying to say. So especially to our brothers and sisters from the Tangkhul community. So the problem starts, we all join hands together under the aegis of ATSUB. We stage a protest against the ST demand of the Meitei. And things escalate and turns out, and with the cookies are singled out and targeted, and the problem comes, and we are enduring it for 3 years. And within these 3 years, I don't know what happened, what is wrong with you, and why you are against the cookie community. What is the motive behind provoking to the cookie communities and joining hands with the Meiteis and trying to continue this war? Correct me if I'm wrong. According to my perspective, when I do a research thinking, then one thing what I suspect may not be correct, but you feel that if this problem continues, like for it's already completed at 3 years and now we are running for 4 years. If it continue, we will continue it. We will not lose hope. So one day the problem will be put up in the parliament, and the things will be settled. The school will be settled, and by that time you are fearing that by chance if the cookie get their demands separate administration, what are we going to do? That is what you fear. You are fearing that the cookie get the administration and you are left behind. So that is what I'm thinking. That is why you are trying to register your name in this crisis. So whenever the matter is put up, then you will get your share. That is what I'm thinking right now. But brothers and sisters, if that is your motive, you're choosing the wrong path. That means when the problems are solved, the cookies have they cannot live together with the Meitei. It's clear. Now you are making it clear that we cannot live together with you as well anymore. That means we are single out. Let's say by our imagination, if these things happen, then the government, the parliament will say cookies cannot live together with the Meitei, cannot live together with Tangkhul. That means it's a separate administration is a must for these cookie people. Don't don't give a baseless allegation to the cookies, calling them illegal immigration. By a baseless allegation, nothing will work out. Every citizens of India, every educated people knows that cookies history, the Manipur history and the Indian history. We have every uh, crystal clear history in the Indian history, in the history of Manipur. So by your baseless allegation, you prove yourself uneducated. If you are educated, then who is the real illegal immigrants? You will understand. With the cookie people, I agree 100%. There are some illegal immigrants from the neighboring country from Myanmar, but not all the cookies are illegal immigrant. By your baseless claim, nothing won't work out. The Indian government knows that we are not illegal immigrant. If what your claim is right, do you think the Indian government will stay silent for this long whole years, for like more than decades? Not only a decades. How many years did Indian government get independent? It's more than like 60, 70 years now. We are not illegal immigrants. Stop that nonsense allegation. That won't work out. If you are the real immigrants, do you think the government will stay silent and what's like this? What your claim or what the allegation is wrong. That is why Indian government they stay silent. Now the Indian government are watching for a solution. They're uh, searching for a solution. Sooner or later, we will get our demand. Don't worry. But Thankful brothers and sisters, you are choosing the wrong path. That means when the things are scolded, the cookie, it's clear, cannot live together with the Meitei, cannot live together with the Tangkhuls. That means we are separated out. Now, the Meiteis and the Tangkhul, their brother and sister, they can live together. So why to separate them? Let them live together. That means you're still under the government of Manipur. That is my conclusion. I'm not saying this will be 100% clear, but things can happen. If you have a brain to think it nicely. That means now you are joining hands together with the Meiteis and started attacking to the cookies. So what is the motive behind? And I clearly wonder. So maybe your claim can be like overlapping of lands. You claim this village, which I cannot mention, these are under a land forefather or whatever. We also claim that some of your land, some of your village are under ours. Before that 1993, you understand everything. We are living together. We are living like like parallel. You live and we live. We are living this long. So why not? We can negotiate. It's like when we try to solve something, it's like always give and take. You take this one and give me this one, or I give you this one, you give me this one. It's like so. Whenever a problems started, always the final will be in negotiation, discussion. So why don't we take the shortcut and negotiate instead of taking this much trouble? Whenever there is a war comes, who suffer. Our leaders will not suffer. They will act mighty, wear coat, tight, suit, and they will go here and there's a VIP. But the commandment we are suffering. After the war, the leader will shake hand. We have that appoint, and the children will be waiting for their fathers to come back. The widows will be waiting for their husband to come back, and the old ladies, the old men and the old ladies will be waiting for their sons to come back. The who paid the price with the commandment. So why not take the shortcut and settle up and negotiate? So the most important thing is to get your demand. We see your demand, you see our demand. That means if our demands are overlapping to each other, why not settle it out, negotiate it out instead of taking this path. When the problem started in 2023, the motive behind the cookie is the same as the motive with the Tangkhuls. It's everything is clear. After annihilating all the cookies, they will move to the Tangkhuls. And after that, all the Nepalese now, as they expected, we the cookies are not easy to handle. Now they're using you as a puppet, as a dog. They're burning the fire behind your back, and some of you are running toward us to attack us. You know what are the outcomes? This is not a challenge. Like this is just trying to make it clear things. Whenever you attack, you die, we die, and you know who is clapping their hands. They will act like supporting you because that is their only way to support you, morally or financially. You think that that is like a love or something like a bond. No, brother, that is really wrong. They are doing what they can do in order to make you their puppets. Just recently, like a few days back, some of your cadres who come and attack suffer, and we suffer and we die too. You die too, but the person who is clapping their hands. Let's negotiate out. Let's talk things out, and we can take the shortcut of achieving our goals also. If we join hands together, then I think the problem will be solved sooner or faster. With the cookie people, it is never our intention to shake hands without a solution. Let us make it clear. We are enduring this much and we'll still keep on enduring it until and unless we get our demand. So you can join us with the negotiation. Why to problem yourself and give problem to others? Well, there is like an easy option, easy way to settle the score. You are fearing that one day, sooner or later, the cookies demand will be put up in the parliament. Then by that time, if the cookie get their demand, what are we going to do? That is what you fear. That is why you want to register your name in this crisis. That is clear. But let us not take the wrong way. Let us think it properly, think it nicely, and try to understand the whole situation. Do critical thinking and analysis. By attacking us, things won't work out. You know, we the cookie people, we don't want trouble. We just want our solution. We don't want to harm others. But if you keep on provoking, you are human, we are human. We can do what you can do, and I do believe and understand you will be able to do what we can do also. There is no superpower. You are human, we are human. We are all created by God. Every person can do good thing and every person can do bad thing. The only thing is your decision, your conscience, which makes you do what you want or what you are willing to do. Let us see. You kill us, we kill you. You cried, we cried. We don't enjoy. You know the person who is enjoying. You know our demand, we know our demand. That means if our demands are overlapping to each other, let's settle the score by dialogue. Let's negotiate out and move it together. So by this we can achieve our goal sooner also. I'm just a common man trying to speak what I see or what I observe. Okay? Please think it properly and let us stop attacking to each other. Instead, let us try to resort with a reasoning solution. Let us try to find amicable solution. We are all human beings. We can do what you can do. You can do what we can do. There is no superpower. If you attack, we can attack. If you die, we die. If you cry, we cry. If you laugh, we laugh. But there is a common enemy who is always enjoying behind our back. So with these few words, let me end. So if I made a mistake, please don't take it to heart. I'm just trying to speak out, trying to give up my mind about the present crisis. Bye bye, everyone.